22.
Good morning.
Yeah. But I couldn't prepare yesterday, madam. It could be taken out.
Item number
22, madam. I am for the petition, madam.
22. All right. As prayed for by Mr. S. Borthakur, learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, relist on such and such date. Yes,
Your Lordship, I have filed an affidavit in reply in item number.
you want to call?
15.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Das.
To item 19, Your Lordship. Can it be on present, Your Lordship?
19.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
A Das on behalf of S. Bharali, Your Lordship.
For the petitioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
A. Das on behalf of Mr. S. Bharali, learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner with advance
Yes, Your Lordship.
circulation, with advance adjournment slip, relist after
On 7th,
on such and such date.
much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, your lordship, I pray for listing of a writ petition, lordship. Next week, lordship, any
No, listing of a listing of the writ petition.
writ petition.
I think senior bench is there, so you mention before the appropriate bench, huh?
Okay.
For listing, you have to mention before the appropriate bench. If there is no senior bench, then only.
Lord.
Yes, please.
Item number 23 may be adjourned for today,
23,
my lord.
you are for,
M. Dot. Petitioner,
as prayed for by Mr.
L. Deca.
L. Deca, learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner with consent from the other side. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Every Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, Lordship. My senior went to the CBI court, Lordship.
19 has already been mentioned by Mr. Das. He's in fact given an, please check Mr. Das, he's mentioning 19.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention listing of item, bench three matter. Lordship.
You did, why are you not
Lordship,
attentive?
Lordship, it was given in the roster yesterday that we can mention before your bench.
Is it?
Yes.
হয় নেকি কথাটা?
Bench three matter, Lord.
All right, 3.
Yes.
Yours is 3 pertaining to civil bench 3. All right, the other counsel who was making a mention for listing, it was a bench 3.
Yes.
All right, both of you give it to the court master. He'll give you a date. Any similar prayer for bench 3 listing? Please give it to the court master. As far as possible, he shall accommodate. Yes.
May I please, Lordship. Sorry, Lordship. Item number 11, Lordship.
11.
Yes.
Yes. You made me confused, huh? And you were putting Mr. Das on a spot. Huh? Yes.
Lordship,
Be careful next time. 11.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for?
M.U. Muhammad, Lordship. I am from the
As
petition-
prayed on behalf of the writ petitioner by Mr.
Islam.
Islam, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Yes, please call the list. These are mediation referral matters. Okay, okay.
Item number 71 for withdrawal.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, on the basis of the complaint of my wife, of the petitioner, lordship, the services of the petitioner was terminated. Now, lordship, there has been assurances that maybe his grievances may be redressed. Under instruction of my client, lordship, I want to withdraw this petition. Lordship, I humbly pray that a liberty may be given in case my grievances are not.
Your name?
Dr. P.P. Medhi, lordship.
Mr. Dr.
P.P. Medhi, lordship.
PP.
P.P. Medhi,
PP Medhi or P for Punjab?
Punjab, lordship.
PP Medhi, learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, submits that he has received instructions from from the petitioner that since the complaint
The complaint given by the wife of the petitioner, the
since
services
the complaint filed by the wife of the petitioner
the services of the petitioner was terminated.
on the basis of the complaint made by the petitioner's wife, comma, the services of the petitioner was terminated. However,
now the grievances of the petitioner may be mitigated, Lordship.
Huh?
Assurance has been given, Lordship, by the department that
However, with since the respondent authorities has given assurance that the
The grievances may
grievances
be
of the
mitigated.
petitioner raised in the writ petition is going to be addressed. Accordingly, he does not wish to press the petition further. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, the writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn with the liberty to approach this court if need be so. And on top, you say heard Mr. Dr. P.P. Medhi for writ petitioner as well as B. Thappa, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. I'm obliged, Lordship. Disposed of.
For FIR to the special mediation drive, item number 1.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Sharma.
Sharma, are you interested? Have you communicated to the client? Are they willing for referring the matter to the mediation center?
We are unaware as to the modus of the entire.
Uh-huh.
We are unaware as to the modus of how to, and if your lordship directs us, we can communicate the same and. it
All
can
right.
go before your lordship.
Just take down.
Yes, madam.
Heard Mr.
M. Sharma, madam.
M. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Anyone for the respondent?
It's the standing counsel for the Apex Bank, madam.
None appears for the state for the respondent on call. The This matter was listed today under the column within quotes for referral to the special mediation drive mediation for the nation. As per the standard operating procedure SOP, as approved by the Executive Chairman, National Legal Services Authority within bracket NALSA and Chairman Mediation and Conciliation Project Committee within bracket MCP for the campaign - mediation for the nation. The aforesaid standard operating procedure reads as under, quote unquote, you just give it from that paragraph. I have quoted everything for your benefit. Pertinent that prior to listing of the said matter, in terms of the aforesaid SOP, the cases suitable for referral to the mediation center were identified, and thereafter the parties were notified through their legal counsels. You received the notice for taking their consent for referring the case for mediation as per the SOP. However, today when the matter, then you write, the instant writ petition being one of such case, after being informed, inform kora nai niki, notify koribo lage na before listing it in this column, korise na nai kora? Huh? No, it is poor nai. However, what did I say? The instant writ petition being one of such case after has been listed. Don't say being informed, has been listed today in order to ascertain whether the parties are agreeable and willing for referring the instant case for mediation. However, when the matter is called today, Mr. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, submits that he has not been notified as regards the aforesaid referral, as regards the aforesaid initiative for referring the matter to the mediation center. Be that as it may, he shall take note. He shall take instructions from the petitioner as the petitioner is agreeable to solve the issue involved in the aforesaid writ petition through a mediator or not, and accordingly seek listing of the matter after 1 week.
After 1 week, madam.
Similarly, the respondent counsel shall also obtain instruction and place the same on the next date of listing. A copy of this order be furnished to all the learned counsels for the parties. Relist after 1 week
1 week.
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Great.
You keep this as the standard because I think all the matters, similar orders will have to be given.
Item number 2.
May please your lordship, my lords. It's
Have you been
agreed by the-
notified?
Yeah, it's agreed by the parties.
Oh,
Because
yes,
you-
very well.
Going for the mediation, you will not be fruitful, your lordship.
Not fruitful.
Yes, only we have, I consulted the petitioner council, learned council, and it may be posted for the final hearing. your lordship.
Okay. Heard, Mr. Huh? I Ahmed, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. N Singh, learned
Learned, for respondent number 225.
counsel appearing for respondent number
225.
225. Paragraph 2, same. 3, same. 4, same. Huh? 5, same. Now 6. However, when the matter is called today, learned counsels for the parties submit that though they pursuant to the notice received from the registry of this court in terms of the aforesaid guidelines, SOP, they have communicated the same to their respective clients. However, the clients are unwilling and unagreeable to refer the matter for mediation. Stop. That being so, relist the matter for hearing in the usual course.
Right.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Maybe send my lord to mediation. my lord.
Sent? Say yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, এটা order তাৰ লগত গুচি গ'ল নেকি? Heard Mr. J. Roy, learned so and so. Also heard MS so and so.
D. Bora. D. Bora.
D. Bora, learned counsel appearing for
Health and family.
and J. Roy, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
BP Sharma.
Huh?
BP Sharma.
BP.
BP.
B for Bombay.
Blood pressure, Sharma.
That was a good one, Mr. Roy. BP Sharma, okay. Then similarly, you write 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now in 6. Today, however, today when the matter has been called, learned counsels appearing for both parties have has submitted that upon communicating to the respective clients as regards the SOP, the clients are agreeable and willing to refer the matter to the mediation center. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsels appearing for the parties, the matter is directed to be placed before the Coordination Mediation Center, Guwahati High Court, for resolution of the issue arising herein by way of mediation. The parties are accordingly directed to appear before the coordinator of the Mediation Center, Guwahati High Court on
My lord, it's Jorat, my lord. Lordship may fix
sometime in August.
yes, August.
When?
Last part of August.
August means
Give a date.
25th August, my lord.
25th of Divapara.
25th, 26th.
26th of what?
26th.
On 26/8/2025 at 11:30 am.
My lord.
At 11:30 am. For the convenience of the parties, the mobile number and email ID of the coordinator of the Mediation Center, Guwahati High Court is set out herein above. It is DD, huh? The registry is directed to do the needful in the matter. I think, should I say that upon report, I think is 60 days? It is needless to be clarified that the mediator so and so shall submit the report within such and such days, relist after such and such days on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Alright.
Please check. I think it is 60 days. Mr. Roy, can you ask your junior to check? I think it is 60 days. Yes, next.
Item 4.
So that I can obtain the instruction.
All right, this first five paragraph remains same, huh? Khali party's name. Yes, please give your respective party names, DD occurrence. And in para 6, you write, however, when the matter is called today, learned counsels for the party submit they are waiting for instructions from their clients as whether they are agreeable to solve the issue involved in the aforesaid writ petition through a mediator or not, and accordingly seek listing of the matter after
1 week.
1 week. As prayed for, list the matter. Let the matter be listed after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry. A copy of this order be furnished to all the learned counsels for the parties. Yes, please. I'm giving the copy so that the parties also knows what is happening. Yes, please.
Item number 5.
Where is the petitioner? None appears for the petitioner on call. And Mr. D. Upamanyu, so and so. Do you have the instructions? No. Para 2, 3, 4, 5 remains same. In paragraph 6, you say, however, when the matter is called today, none appears for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. D. Upamanyu, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Health and family welfare.
Health and Family, submits that he is waiting for instructions from his client as whether the respondents are agreeable to solve the issue involved in the aforesaid writ petition through a mediator or not, and accordingly seek listing of the matter after 1 week. As prayed for, let the matter be listed after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry. A copy of the order be furnished to all the learned counsels for the parties.
Item number 6.
এখানে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপটা চেঞ্জ করে দিব হ্যাঁ মানে এই ব্যাচটা yes agreeable not agreeable or adjournment 3 options agreeable very good then that give that agreeable order party's name please give it Rupa party's name agreeable order same thing and date 26th date of the DDoc 26th August 11:30?
11:30.
Okay. Understood, no? Yes.
Item number 7.
Yes, agreeable, not agreeable, adjournment. Adjournment. So that's why I'm asking, choose. All right. This is adjournment, both parties, okay? Seek that same. However, when the matter is called today, learned counsel for the parties submit that they are waiting for instructions, both parties. And please give your, Mr. Manan, please ask your junior to give the names. She'll just put it. Yes.
Item number 8.
1 week is sufficient, Mr. Manan? 1 week?
I'll give a phone call and then.
Okay, okay. Item number 8. You will not get confused, no, Mapun? Yes, agreeable, not agreeable, or adjournment.
Let me get the instruction
Okay.
from you.
All right. So instructions, both parties. Okay. You also get, all right, instructions. But please give your names, huh? Yes.
Item number 9.
Yes.
I need some instructions.
All right. Instructions. Names. Please give your names before you exit from this courtroom. Because we have to give you the orders.
Item number 10. Will not be fruitful, man.
Huh?
Will not be fruitful.
Not agreeable.
Yes.
This is not agreeable. And list, this will be listed for what now?
It should come for admission, my lord.
List for admission after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Okay, give your name, please. Not agreeable, huh? This one. Yes. Please change her now.
For admission, item number 12.
Change corridor. Yes.
Well,
This is pension.
no, my lord, not pension, my lord.
Hmm?
I was allotted
Sorry,
Or a
this is item 11.
12.
Oh, 11 is adjourned. 12. Yes, Mr. Gogoi, you have filed your return.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
And
what
I've
is-
also filed, my lord.
Okay, what is the matter?
Matter relating to my lord appointment of a my lord laboratory technician. My lord. Common my lord recruitment examination was held, my lord. That was conducted by Delhi AIMS, my lord. I was allotted, my lord, a post of Delhi, my lord, AIMS at Guwahati, my lord. And Guwahati AIMS, my lord, rejected the post. Rejected my lord, candidacy. On the grounded, my lord, I have not the qualification as required.
This you want it. What do you want now?
Now, I want, my lord, the problem, my lord, issue is, my lord, very simple, my lord.
Hmm.
Whether, my lord, BSc plus BSc in Botany, Chemistry or Zoology plus diploma in lab
Equivalent.
technology is equivalent.
Equivalent or not?
My lord. Medical lab technology. This is
This will need
this is a crux
some,
of it.
this will need some
Well,
hearing.
Need some hearing, otherwise also lordship that equivalence part 226 lordship honorable court Supreme Court time and again retired is the.
Admit it and post it for hearing in the month of September.
well, already, my lord, the urgency of the matter, my lord.
Yes,
Matter-
but it is for admission today. You
No,
don't
matter
want
is
your
fixed for
matter to be admitted.
No, matter we.
Why we should make an exception? It will go for hearing. I am not going to, or you want it to be posted for hearing in the usual course. The court was ready to hear your matter in the month of September. If you want, I can post it for hearing in the usual course. It will come in the usual course.
No, you know, fix the matter for hearing. my lord.
On September, otherwise.
I am giving it.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Khonikar, na? Your initial?
Yeah, funny comment.
A. Khanika and Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioners. Top also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate.
Yeah, as a central government council.
Learned CGC. Learned CGC. The matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice as parties are represented by as respondents are represented by the respective councils. List for hearing in the month of September on any date to be fixed by the registry.
Diploma.
Item number 13.
Dismissal from service.
Yes, Lordship, I have received the instruction, Lordship, I'm paying for some more time to find my living.
As prayed for by Mr.
SP Chaudhary. Lordship.
SP Chaudhary, Leonard CGC, relist after 2 weeks to submit return in the matter, to enable the respondents to submit return in the matter. Yes,
Bail hearing. PA, item number 14.
yes, where is the APP? Get hold of an APP. Because this is not a regular criminal bench, so they may not be aware. So just inform us.
Since Lordship was taking, that is why it has come up.
I know. So you just inform the APP, though, when the
Oh,
APP and you both are together, you inform my court master, he shall call your matter
Okay.
immediately.
Okay.
Yes.
For hearing, item number 15.
My lord, I am sorry, my lord, I have little accommodation today.
All right, all right.
My lord, tomorrow day, my lord, on Tuesday, my lord, that will be, my lord, I heard, my lord.
Huh?
Tuesday, my lord.
Next
My
Tuesday.
lord, my lord.
Okay.
By this time, I will.
Thursday, Lordship.
Thursday. All right. Thursday then. As jointly prayed by Mr. So and so, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, as well as MS B Sharma, Learned CGC, relist on Thursday. On Thursday, so and so. Okay, or next week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
It's a old matter.
No, no matter, but that's-
Thursday,
I'll-
Thursday.
I'll-
All right, Thursday.
Due to my inconvenience, madam, I am.
Very well, very well.
Item number 16 and 17.
Financial benefits.
Your lordship, can this matter be taken up sometime?
Where is the petitioner counsel? Where is the petitioner counsel? All right, we'll call it after some time. Yes.
Number 18. Item number 18.
Mati Jogaba.
Item 18.
Mati Jog, Mati Jog. Mati যাই থাকো। আছে 18 আছে।
Senior counsel is good to the.
Time being.
Item number 20.
My lord, time for the writ petitioner.
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
This is against an order of.
Penalty for misappropriation of
No,
funds.
penalty has not been imposed.
Not imposed.
No, the facts are like this, my lord.
Two IAs are also there.
Yes. Respondent FCI is not present.
Huh?
FCI, respondent FCI is not present.
What to do?
Facts are like this, my lord. He is a.
Yes,
he-
facts we will hear, but where is FCI?
That case
After some time or another date?
may go to some other date.
Heard Mr. S. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents, despite the name of the standing counsel, FCI being reflected, FCI and also Arunachal Pradesh,
Yes, Arunachal, because
and the government advocate for Arunachal Pradesh being reflected in the cause list. Relist, when, tell me.
in the month of September.
Relist again in the month of September on a date to be fixed by the
No, but
registry.
Can there be a fixed date?
No fixed dates. Yes.
Item number 21.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, this petition was filed praying for a mandamus
Yes.
to the authorities for promotion based on recommendation of the selection committee, my lord, which your lordship will find at page 28.
Issue is promotion
Promotion, my lord, to the post of Sadar Head Assistant.
to the post of Sadar
Head Assistant.
Head.
Head Assistant. Now, what has happened, my lord?
It just, I don't know why Mr. Sharma, Mr. Chutia, maybe because of the air conditions. It's very difficult for me to
Yes.
hear the other side.
On
It's not very clear.
Now, what has happened, my lord, in this matter?
Huh.
After the recommendations were formulated on 29/11/2019, the petitioner superannuated on the next day.
Superannuated
Superannuated
after the recommendation.
after the recommendation. Now, there is not much ground for me to argue.
You are waiting for Mr. M.K. Chaudhary or what?
Since,
Huh?
my lord, as per
No,
law.
because you are looking back.
Yes, no,
Why are you looking back?
no, my lord, as what happens in this matter.
Hello, we have filed affidavit.
Yes,
At length hearing is there has a detailed hearing.
It's hearing today.
Because he says on 29 November 2000 so and so, minutes were there. Next day he retired. That was not given effect to. He was.
Then how can that he can claim something
Yes.
on the basis of
Yes,
something
madam.
which is not communicated to him,
Yes.
right?
We have filed affidavit, we have made the statement.
So it's an admitted fact
It's
that
an
the
admitted-
recommendation has not come into effect.
No, my lord.
And your whole case is that because you were recommended,
Yes,
so you have to be given the benefits.
benefit.
That's
Now,
what, that is
yes,
your case?
Yes, my lord. Now, subsequently, what had happened?
What is the legal
That is
right?
That is what I was about to submit on, my lord. Subsequently, in the year 2024, the Honorable Supreme Court had crystallized its finding on the entire issue, which does not go in my favor. Now, this matter needs a respectful burial,
Respectful?
my lord, which I would implore this court, my lord, that a date may be fixed so that my senior can be heard in the matter.
No, why should we wait for your senior, Mr. Sharma? Give me that decision of the Supreme Court. What is there?
My lord, that
Mr.
decision,
Chutia, why lengthy hearing?
My
It
lord,
can be dismissed in 2 minutes.
my lord, that decision.
First of all, there is no right If
No
there
right,
is
madam.
no legal right, where is the question of issuing a writ?
Yes, yes. madam.
Correct?
Yes.
No, orders not communicated, not, it cannot come into force. Now, give me the Supreme Court case,
My lord,
Mr.
the
Sharma.
order was shared, it should be in the file, my lord. I do not have I have a copy. I think that was shared, my lord, on the last occasion when the matter was taken up. Government of West Bengal and others versus Dr. Amal Satpathy.
Asli niki so that I read a copy. So this is niki yak nai.
No, dialogue that was.
Mr. Sharma just give that reference. I think he it will give a point. Bidigat mata. Fatafat. Madam. This is the one.
This is the one, my lord, but there is certain scribbles on the
It's all right.
para 21, my lord.
21. Then I don't need to take out a print. I can rely from the
Yes, my lord.
20.
The ratio has been laid down, my lord, taking into account earlier previous judgments rendered by the Honorable Supreme Court.
In fact, I'm grateful that it is underlined.
That was
I said I'm grateful.
yes, my lord. We tried looking into authorities, but there
You,
is no authority.
Mr. Sharma, what can you do?
That is
You
what-
can only do your best, which you are doing, right?
that-
No, no, no. Very well. You will have to help me
Yes,
while I am
with the facts,
dictating,
yes,
huh?
my lord. Yes,
Just let me start.
yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Sharma, na?
Yes, my lord.
M. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. T. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate, senior government advocate, right?
No responsible
For the state respondent numbers 1 to 4.
1, 2, 4.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I think for the state respondents. Stop.
Yes.
The
No, my lord, not one. GAD appearing for the standing council is there. I can have a 2, 3, 4.
okay, for the state respondent 2, 3, 4. Who is for GAD?
GAD Fukon, F. Fukon, he is appearing, my lord.
Anyway, none appears for respondent number 1, though this is item number
21, my lord.
21. All right, none appears for respondent number 1 on call. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking direction, more specifically from the respondent number 2, i.e. the Divisional Commissioner, North Assam Division, Tejpur, to act on the recommendation made by the duly constituted selection committee in its meeting held on 29/11/2015.
19.
It's written 15 here. 29/11/2019. Sure, in the page 13, see.
No, page 20. The-
Okay.
Yes.
19. And notionally appoint the petitioner thereof to the advertised post of Sadar Head Assistant
Yes, my lord.
in the establishment of the Deputy Commissioner Dorong, Mongoldoy. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner was selected and appointed as lower division assistant, junior assistant by order dated 9/3/1983
83.
and accordingly joined the said post in the establishment of the Deputy Commissioner Mongoldoy. Thereafter, the petitioner, upon passing the departmental examination training in accounts and financial procedure from the Central Institute, the services of the petitioner as LDA within bracket junior assistant was confirmed by order dated 10/6/1996 issued by the Extra Assistant Commissioner, Mogoldoy. Thereafter, the petitioner was promoted to the post of Senior Assistant by Order 24/12/2004, and accordingly, he joined the promotional post on 27/4/2004. Stop. Thereafter, on 26/2015, an advertisement was issued by the Deputy Commissioner Dorong for filling up the only vacant post of Sadler Head Assistant in the said office, in this, don't say said, in the office of the Deputy Commissioner Dorong. Stop. One second, okay. Mr. Sharma,
Yes, my lord.
this is the particular post to which he was recommended.
Yes, my lord.
Which paragraph I will find that?
My lord, your lordship would like to refer to the paragraph preceding annexure G, my lord, which is paragraph number 10.
Paragraph
10,
number
my lord,
10.
at page 7.
Okay. Thereafter, though the case of the petitioner was considered and the selection committee in its meeting held on 29/10/2019.
29/11/2019, my lord. There's certain clerical errors, my lord. I apologize, my lord.
29/11/2019.
11. It's at page 28.
Comma. Recommended the petitioner's name or some
The petitioner's name, my lord.
only the name of the petitioner
At serial number 1.
along with recommended the list of selected people, right?
Selected people.
Recommended the name of the selected candidates for promotion to the subject post. It is the specific case of the writ petitioner that though the name of the petitioner was at serial number 1 in the said list of the selection committee's recommendation, however, on the very next day, i.e. 30/11/2019, upon the petitioner, upon being superannuated,
Yes.
The promotion was not
Given effect.
affected.
This is the case, his case.
Correct. Stop. Situated thus, the present writ petition has been filed seeking direction for the respondent authorities to give effect to the recommendation of the subject selection committees, to give effect to the subject recommendation of the selection committee, and thereby
Notionally
promote the petitioner to the subject post with consequential financial benefits, including revised pay and pensionary benefits. Stop. Mr. Sharma, learned so-and-so submits that since the name of the petitioner was recommended for promotion, therefore, a right has been occurred in his favor, and accordingly, the notional promotional benefits cannot be deprived. Stop. Per contra, Mr. Chutia, learned so-and-so submits that since the recommendation of the petitioner to promotion to the subject post was only by way of the minutes of recommendation and has not come into effect, therefore no legal right whatsoever arises in favor of the petitioner.
Moreover,
He therefore submits that the instant writ petition is not maintainable and is liable to be dismissed at the threshold. He further submits that
This minute selection committee, only 2 members. There should be more members. It was
Submits
not-
that in any case, the selection committee, the selection committee is not been duly constituted in as much as it is mandatory that there should have been 4 members. However, the recommendation of the selection committee as relied by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner is only made by 2 members. Stop.
It is not as per rules is there.
He accordingly submits that the same is in violation of the subject rule, applicable rules. Stop. I have given my prudent consideration to the learned arguments advanced by the learned counsels appearing for the parties and have perused the materials available on record. Stop. It is an admitted position that the recommendations of the selection committee made, yes, page.
My lord, at page 28. Page 28, my lord, Annexure G.
Made by the selection committee for appointment of Sadar head assistant, whereby the petitioner's name was at serial number 1, comma, has not been given effect to, inasmuch as the petitioner expired on the very next day, superannuated on the very next day after the aforesaid recommendation. Apt to reproduce the minutes of the meetings of the selection committee, which reads as hereunder, page 28, A to A.
And subsequently, that post was read.
It is well settled law that promotion only becomes effective upon the assumption of duties on the promotional post and not on the date of occurrence of the vacancy or date of recommendation. Stop. Reference in this regard is made to the decision of the Apex Court in the case of Government of West Bengal and others versus Dr. Amal Satpathy and others in civil, where do I get the number?
My lord, that was not reported at that point in time.
Civil appeal numbers, and you say diary number 43488 of 2023. Wherein the Apex Court has held as under quote unquote para 21. In the instant case, the petitioner having been superannuated on the very next day upon being recommended by the selection committee for promotion to the subject post of Sadar head assistant, comma, no vested right for promotion arises, and therefore, in view of the ratio laid down by the Apex Court, this court finds no merit in this writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed and so ends. Sorry, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, the submission regarding the constitution of the selection.
I am not on that.
Yes, my
I
lord.
will. It is needless to be clarified that since the matter has been, since the writ petition has been decided on the issue of maintainability, there is this court has did not have an occasion to test the impugned selection recommendation of the selection committee on merit.
I'm grateful.
Disposed of, huh?
My sincere apology.
Yes.
Able to appear in item number 20, my lord. I was in other court, my lord. Only one observation that.
Your name.
Hmm.
Your name.
Not that, my lord. Exactly, we will produce the record of the disciplinary proceeding.
22 key was
20. That was a.
Just the thing, I forgot what you
I
cannot,
think
you cannot expect this court to remember the orders that this court passes.
It has been.
After disposing a matter on merit, I have forgotten what happened prior to that. Yes, you've missed the bus. Yes, next, call the matter.
My name may be.
Obliged, my lord.
Next.
Item number 24.
Just because this court gives liberty doesn't mean that the bar start taking take this court for granted also.
No,
Yes,
that is not.
yes, Mr. Chalya.
Yes, Lord. One of the petitioner before your lordships was an employee in the Power Grid Corporation. And he was appointed in the
Number 24.
in 2010, Lord, he was appointed.
Punishment of compulsory retirement from service.
Yes, Lord.
Yes,
4 charges
yes.
against him, Lord. And I am on the point of quantum of punishment only,
Proportionate,
disproportionate.
disproportionate, gravity.
Gravity, yes.
4 charges,
There are
4
two
charges
charges,
proved.
Yes. The charges level against the petitioner, you will also find.
Compulsory retirement is the penalty given.
Penalty.
That's a major penalty.
Measure penalty.
What is the charge?
Charge, I am going one by one.
Yes, please.
You will also find that charges at page 28 onwards. The first charge against the petitioner was
Page 20.
page 28, charges. Statements of imputations and charges begins here, Miller. Petitioner,
Yes, please.
yes, Miller. Now, you'll also find that petitioner during that period was the deputy general manager in that Fulbari area, and in that work under him, Miller, it is alleged that
You're reading from 23, statement of articles of charges.
your details here will begin from
But
28.
first, let us just understand the
Fine.
charge
Yes,
26.
Yes. 26, Miller.
Yes, please.
Yes. Sri H.K. Pukan, MP Deputy General Manager of Balipara Station,
He is the petitioner.
minor. Was
Yes.
posted at Fulbari under NRCP project of, that is November 16 to February 18. During his posting at Fulbari, he was looking after the construction work of Fulbari substation, and Srimati Nijamani Gogoi, his wife, Milord,
Yes.
received rupees 2,37,000 through her bank account bearing check number Iman of State Bank of India, 6 Mile Guwahati, from Chicho Saikia, a labor contractor engaged by NESCOM. The construction work was done for him at Fulbari substation towards hiring charges of art excavator JCB owned by her. Sri Phukan resorted to business with the working contractor under the control and misused his official position for personal gain. This is a charge, Miller.
Yes.
Then acted in a manner that is there. Article number 2 is there, Miller. Next, Phukan, while posted at Fulbari under NRCP project, deliberately concealed the fact of acquiring 2 numbers of JCBs by his wife, worth rupees Iman, purchased on Iman and Iman, as Iman purchased dated Iman, while submitting his annual property returns ending 2015 and 17.
This is
respectively.
proved, Article 2 proved. Proved. Yes. Yes, yes.
Then number 3, while posted at Fulbari under NRCP project, processed 2 second and third RA bill dated Iman without taking measurement of artwork with respect to site leveling work of Iman Fulbari substation under this, or an undue benefit has been extended to the contractor. Sri Pukon has abused his official positions to pass on undue favor to the contractor by the way of paying undue amount of rupees 23 lakhs a month only. Pukon has failed to maintain absolute integrity and acted in a manner while he is unbecoming of a public servant and acted in a manner prejudicial to the due interest to the company, violated or non-complied with the company's rules and policies by the above acts and commissions. Then fourth,
Yes, yes. Yes, you read 4.
While posted at Fulbari under MSB project, proposed processed second and third RA bills processed second and third RA bill of on the same day, that is on 29/6/2017 for rupees 37 lakhs 19,612 and rupees 16,090 16 lakhs 90,690 respectively to authorize the bill for payment within his hour of delegation as per Power Grid DOP. Thus, Sri Pukon resorted to split payment of the two bills intentionally so that the bills could be approved by him without sending the bill to higher authority.
Yes. So basically, those are the allegations.
These are the allegations.
That he has taken bribe, that he has not disclosed the 2 JCBs, and that he has not.
No monetary gain or other allegations are there, my lord.
But these are all been proved.
Basically, it is held that these are proved, and
In that part, you are not challenging also. Now, only thing what this court has to decide is because this is the only ground that you are taking, whether
Because
it is proportionate to the gravity of the offense. Correct?
and I am also challenging the findings also of the to prove that
Findings of what?
of the on the basis of which, my lord, the evidence on the basis of which is they said that these charges are proved. To show
No,
that
but you started your opening submission, if I understood correctly, is that the only thing you
on
are
that on that, my
challenging
lord,
is.
I am challenging on that. I am challenging that even
Huh?
if it is even if
Correct.
even
That
if-
is what I think
even-
I heard correctly. No, Mr. Das?
no
Or is it that only I heard? Did you hear
no,
also?
that I said
Yes.
I didn't say
Because
What
I
am
was with
saying-
that
I am
impression.
saying on the basis of the evidence adduced, that punishment ought not to have been imposed on me. That
See,
is- that is indirectly I'm
if I have, if I, correct me if I'm wrong, but if I understand it, how now in 226, what I can only see is whether with whatever has been proved, the punishment that has been imposed is proportionate or not proportionate. That's all. And for examining that, the decisions of the apex courts are all clear. It all depends on the gravamen of the charge. Correct. Now, whether the finding is correct, finding is not correct, and then to link it with what is the proportionate punishment, that perhaps is not the exercise which this court is going to do in 226. Because either you challenge the finding and you say the finding is perverse, or you challenged, or you. So then say that. Then you have to say that. You have to say that the first, you cannot say the proportionality first and then you say finding also. You see, please be clear with your submissions, because the moment you start your submission, the court started analyzing, right? At the end of the day, I have to author the judgment and I do not like to reserve my judgments. I want to dictate it right away. So for that, I will need a clear-cut assistance from the bar. So that is why I'm saying be clear with what you want. If you want this correct, then please let us go and say, because at the end of the day, this is 226. The court has limitation as far as the disciplinary proceedings are correct. This court is not sitting as an appellate court. Yes. What is the perversity? Is it a case of no evidence or there is evidence? If it is evidence, you see, then you show me there is no evidence, because if there is evidence, this court cannot weigh those evidence, correct?
Yeah, but about that publicity, my lord, there is no any allegation in the petition, my lord.
There is no
No,
allegation.
no allegation, my lord.
Huh?
No.
There is no ground of perversity. You cannot take a ground which is not urged in the writ petition and take the other side by way of surprise, Mr. Counsel. Paragraph? Yes, I think sufficient judicial time has been given. I have other hearing matters as well. Yes, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then you look into it. As prayed for realist, give a hearing. Today's Thursday, right?
It is third.
Next Tuesday. Next Tuesday.
Next
Tuesday.
That is that 2 million.
Huh?
That is that 2 million.
No, not next Tuesday. Yes. You should have prepared your matter, Mr. Counsel. Other counsels are also waiting. Yes, next.
Item number 25.
It will be a part of matter, my lord.
No, parted.
Published, my lord.
So hearing matter though, we
Yes.
taking some accommodation today, my lord.
Accommodation.
Yes, my lord. Maybe after 2 weeks, my lord.
All right, 24 matter. As jointly prayed for by the learned parties, the learned counsels appearing for the parties, relist when?
15, 17,
Come on, counsel, come up with a date.
Let it be on, my lord, on 19, my lord.
On such and such date.
19, my lord.
Next.
Timing in the series to us.
Okay. Mr. Chaudhary, before we take up the series, I think, Mr. Kohli, there is some time being matters. Should I just finish that and take up the series? Because I think this is the last series
It's a big
matter.
batch in any case, 26 to 70, so I
And
think.
since
your
you
board will
both
clear.
appears to have traveled all the way from Delhi, so I shall definitely try to finish the matter.
I am so
So
grateful.
just wait for some time.
Certainly, Lord.
Yes.
Timing item number 16 and 17.
16.
16 and 17.
Yes.
Can it be taken after some time, my lord?
Not after some time, Tuesday. As prayed for, relist, give Tuesday's date on such and such date. Yes, next.
Timing item number 18.
Please, your lordship. In this matter, my lord, the finance department had filed an affidavit.
Yes.
Against that, a counter, my lord, they had filed an affidavit in reply yesterday, which is on record. My lord, I need to take instructions. My lord, on facts, they have made certain statements. I need to take instructions.
By when can you have your
My lord,
instructions?
can it be after 2 weeks, my lord? with all
No,
aspects?
not 2 weeks. Next week. Pension matter. Pension matter, you cannot take it so casually.
Yeah.
You get your instructions with a board pujari.
My lord,
I am accommodating
my
you,
lord, my lord.
but I shall not give you the luxury of 2 weeks in a pension matter. Somebody is waiting.
My lord,
Uh,
but I am submitting.
Anyway,
My lord.
next week.
On 12.
I'll over date too. Mr. R. Barpujari, learned, you're appearing as standing counsel.
Well, Standing
Learn-
Council Finance.
Standing counsel finance submits that since an affidavit in opposition was filed.
Yes.
reply.
They have filed.
When? Filed on when?
Filed
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
It was Ahana recorded.
I see.
I said, it will report.
Kuntu.
Report us.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Affidavit in reply on 37/2025, comma, he seeks a short accommodation to obtain instruction in this regard. prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date.
12th of August.
All right. So grateful. man.
Bail hearing BA, item number 14.
Yes, APP is there. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, your lordship, your direction is there, my lord, in the earlier order, my lord.
Hmm.
The earlier order.
Direction in the earlier order?
Yes, my lord.
What direction?
My lord, to appear before the my lord, trial court, my lord.
Which earlier order?
My lord, page number 38, my lord.
This is the second time they have come.
My
This is the second bail application. Yes, where is the first order? Yes, Mr. Counsel, page. Are you not the counsel for the petitioner?
Lordship, actually, the Ranet PP has agreed to take up the matter on tomorrow, Lordship. He requires some instruction.
My lord, I have also gone through, my lord, to the scan copy, my lord.
That is why,
It
sir,
allows me.
As prayed for relist when?
tomorrow, Lordship.
Not tomorrow,
Next, my lord, Monday, my lord.
Monday.
Monday.
Oblige, Lordship.
Item 26 to 70. Along with item number 70 to 73. Six. Okay.
Lordship, your lordship permits, there is an additional affidavit that was filed today.
It needs to be called. Yes, please call. Yes, I think it can come, Mr. Chaudhary, while
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
place the fact. A copy has been served. Have Mr. Kohli has,
yes.
your office has received.
Yes.
I've seen it.
So we can proceed.
I'm ready, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, what is this whole yes?
Lordship, if I may, Lordship.
Yes.
Two sets of facts in this matter, Lordship.
Two sets of?
Facts, Lordship.
Yes.
There are various matters clubbed together, Lordship. One deals with simultaneous proceeding, Lordship. Departmental proceeding and criminal proceeding continue together, Lordship. Another is a challenge to the committee report, Your Lordship.
Committee report. What committee
The
report?
Biplab Sharma committee.
Which is this matter?
I can give an overview with no submission.
Yes, what is the
I'll
issue?
just give an
Yes.
overview. Lordship, the genesis of this matter is the APSC cash for jobs. In the APSC cash for jobs, there were essentially, now I call it, two batches of litigation. The first batch was a set of people on whom they were discharged because they were probationers. The learned single judge at that time of this court in 2020 upheld the discharge. That went into appeal in a series called Gitali Dole. Just to update Lordship, very recently, just about a month ago, the learned division bench of this court has overturned the order of the learned single judge. And basically, they raised a few points with regard to discharge orders being issued if they were probationers, etc. That is a separate. It's referred to in the reply. That's why, as a matter of abundant caution, I pointed out. The second batch is what my learned friends are now referring to. These were
Yes.
These are officers, Lordship, that were not, as part of the investigation, revealed to or that they were involved in the cash for jobs in the first instance.
That is Mr. Gautam.
Yes,
That is
I'm talking
your
of this
batch.
entire lot.
You are
What
on.
happened?
You are representing in those batch.
All of them. Now, what happened, Lordship, is two things happened. In 2015, a PIL had come. Subsequently, in 2019, under the former judge, Justice Biplab Sharma, a commission of inquiry was enacted. That gave its findings to two separate batches. The 14 and 15. 13 and 14. Now, Lordship, these particular batches, eventually they have, the committee has held that there was some matter that showed broadly they shouldn't have been in the service. However, all of them had finished the 4 years of probation. So they stand deemed confirmed into service. Now, in the meantime, while the first batch was before the DB, at that time, the learned Chief Justice's bench was hearing it, and SIT got created. Why? Because one particular petitioner in the first batch raised allegations on the Article 14 violation, saying that action hasn't been taken on a 9-page tabulation sheet, which mentions...
Before we proceed further, can all these batches be taken up together
Yes,
or
Lordship.
it needs to be
No,
segregated?
give me 2 minutes, Lordship.
I think this, perhaps the petitioners will have to also address.
I'll explain.
Yes.
Just let me finish this
Yes, yes.
for Lordship's consideration because I'm almost done.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, that 9-page tabulation sheet in the first batch led to the formation of a SIT, which finally has filed multiple 3 supplementary charge sheets, which impacts the second batch. Now, Lordship, this is the second batch where I'm here, where basically 2 things have happened. TPs have been initiated against all of them pursuant to the Commission of Inquiry. DP, Department, and the criminal investigation of the SIT.
Both are simultaneously going on.
Yes, and in that case, they got a stay because Lordship, perhaps the state was a little.
Stay was given where?
So what happened, Lordship?
In the writ proceedings.
Yes, I'm just coming to.
Stay of the disciplinary.
So Lordship.
Pending the criminal.
Right. So basically, that was one. Now what happened, Lordship?
So those batches are also here.
May I explain?
Well, let me just finish.
No, but just those cases where that stay is operating is also part of this.
Yes, Lordship.
And that what has happened to the criminal proceeding?
I'm coming to that. So therefore, Lordship, basically, 2 things happened. An order first came.
No, first, please tell me what
I'm
happened to the criminal proceedings.
Criminal proceedings are not part of the.
They're not part of it. They're not.
No, the criminal proceedings are over or not over?
No, it's pending before the trial.
Pending before trial. Charge sheet has been filed. Prosecution witnesses are being examined. So, Lordship, they challenged on stay and got finally an order for reinstatement. In the meantime, the state preferred an appeal because we hadn't filed our opposition affidavit in opposition. Learned DB held that at this stage you can't go back. So it dismissed the appeal. We came back, filed our affidavits in opposition and filed a vacation of stay application. So what is before Lordship now? Whether the 2 sets within the second batch are challenging the DP alone or the Commission of Inquiry or both. In effect, what is before Lordship for hearing is the application of the state, vacation of stay. Some of them are pressing contempt and it is their case. Now, finally, on the last date, which is the germane order in terms of it is 7/4/2025. That order will Lordship say what transpired on the last date and now we are before Lordship. So if I can read.
Yes, please.
Mr. A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for writ petitioners in this batch of writ petitions, also heard so-and-so. Now, Lordship, second para. In this batch of writ petitions, the show cause notice dated 30/11/23 as well as the order of suspension dated 30/11/23 issued to individual writ petitioners, placing them under suspension, have been assailed inter alia on the ground that the one-man commission report was flawed. 1, due to violation of various statutory provisions and therefore reliance placed on the one-man commission's report while issuing the impugned show cause notice suspension order has a vitiating effect on the said orders. Mr. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the writ petitioners, further submits that since the petitioners have already suffered prolonged suspensions, hence this is a fifth case where the impugned orders of suspension deserve to be interdicted by this court. Mr. Nalin Kohli, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent applicants, on the other hand, submits that there is a batch of writ petitions pending before this court on the same issue, that the state government has already filed interlocutory applications praying for vacating the interim orders earlier passed by this court, suspending the departmental proceedings, as well as suspension order which is in the nature of granting final relief to the writ petitioners. Under these circumstances, either the I is to be taken up first or the writ petitioners be heard and decided on merit at an early date.
That this writ petitions would pertain to the disciplinary and simultaneous.
Both.
Huh?
Both.
That is the writ petition it
Both,
refers
yes.
to. Because that writ petition can be heard.
Right. So next paras will make it clear, Lordship.
Yes.
The learned counsel for both sides have agreed to early hearing and final disposal of the writ petitions by submitting that subject matter to a definite schedule for exchange of pleadings and hearing framed by the court for final hearing of all petitions. They are agreeable. Basically, the argument of the state in the vacation and the final would be the same. Next page, Lordship. Second last para. All the writ petitions are directed to be listed for final hearing and disposal as fixed items on so-and-so.
So these all writ petitions which are referred here, in all these writ petitions, the subject matter is the simultaneous proceeding?
And the OMC, one-man commission report. So,
but that would be a little different issue.
Yes. It's
my friend will.
Different issue.
I will allow my friend to just come on that. Just last, Lordship, is my paragraph relating to content. Because in the second last paragraph, this court said we will hear it on a day-to-day so that it's early disposed. Last para, we pointed out that there are some contempt applications. So the court said, should they come up, because some of them are pressing for contempt for non-implementation of the stay on the suspension, therefore seeking reinstatement. So that is why we said final disposal.
So
I have
see,
given an.
if we start hearing the everything, then it will only delay. So if we segregate the issues and take it up one by
I'm in your
one,
hands.
it might become more easier perhaps, because one issue as it appears is the simultaneous disciplinary proceeding and criminal, whether can go ahead or not. Because I don't see why we should keep the matter pending, since now there is a stay vacating application. Either way, this court has to hear the matter. Now, if this court wants to hear the stay vacating application, the court would ultimately be hearing the entire matter. So this court can take that petitions for final disposal if both parties agree. Correct? This is one way of dealing with it that can be done. Second, the one-man committee and all, perhaps those will have to go on the merit of those reports and all. That can be segregated from this batch.
Yes. Now, where we are, Lordship, just to let the state's point of view be known to Lordship, our point of view is that when there is a stay on the suspension, and now there is consequently
Now
an
that
order of
suspension stay is operating where?
it's operating against all of them. All of them.
Suspension means?
So, Lordship, they were suspended. Our case is suspended pursuant to the findings of the OMC and the criminal investigation. And show cause notice and suspension happened. They got a stay on suspension.
That
and eventually-
suspension stay is in that one-man committee category cases.
One-man committee and criminal. Our case is both.
One-man and?
Committee and the criminal investigation leading to the
No, but
charge
these
sheet.
two issues are separate, right?
But Lordship, the beneficiaries, they are common.
They may
and they are-
be, but you see what is
Lordship, they've taken both grounds in
Huh?
the petition.
they have taken. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Both so.
Both Chaudhary, I was wondering how to address you both, since you both are also senior designated, you see. Yes.
Milord, I was thinking, Lordship can have this matter on some other day. Today, actually, I was tied up in some other matters. That is number one. Secondly, Milord, I think with the other batch, this has no relation, no?
Yes, I pointed out.
With the,
With the first batch, I only gave a background that has no relation. These
what
are
do you mean by first batch?
who are discharged.
Huh?
Who were discharged?
Who were discharged?
That is nothing, not.
That is not listed.
No.
It's not.
Because
correct.
what is come, the entire
Now,
series,
whether Milord,
if I have understood, is that
Simultaneous proceedings.
they are just two categories. One simultaneous proceeding of disciplinary proceedings, simultaneously disciplinary proceeding and the criminal
All
proceedings.
cases?
And the second is that one-man committee, correct?
Yes.
I'm so grateful.
And in all the petitions, both issues have been taken, or
No.
in some
In
huh?
our cases, basically, Milord,
One man.
simultaneous proceeding. I think
Simultaneous
in my learned friend's case, that second point is involved.
as well as the first point, or only second point?
Only second point.
Only second point.
But there are other issues, my lord, on
Now, how do you both want to go ahead? Do you want to segregate the batch, or you want it to be kept together and heard
Naturally,
together?
Milord. Naturally, these are two.
These are
I
Yeah.
have a feeling
Yeah,
it,
needs to
it
be
may be easier. Mr. Kohli, what do you have to say to that?
So, Lordship, as I say on instruction, the problem of segregation at our end is that they have challenged both in the writ petition. My arguments are the
saying
same.
they are not.
So, what I would propose is, 1 minute. Lordship may just come to Priyanka Dekha. Lordship, which is the.
All right, it appears Mr. Chaudhary, in that case, Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, let me be more specific, has some difficulty today.
Yes.
So then I will have it on another date.
Yes, Lordship will fix.
And one other thing, my lord.
Yes.
Insofar as, my lord, the matter where, my lord, the one-man commission report and all are concerned, my lord. That is, my lord, item 26 and 43, 45, 49, my lords, and 52, my lords, 70. These are matters, my lord, challenging the report of the one-man commission of inquiry. On the ground, my lords, that a one-man commission of inquiry flouted, my lords, the provisions of the Commissions of Inquiry Act. Namely, my lord.
Why don't you do
Namely,
one
my
thing?
lord, may I say this?
Why don't you do it like this? I'm going to fix another date. By next date, on the next date of listing, give us a list of these case laws where, where we give it, and then if required, we may have the matter posted on the same day, but we will have it segregated. At least we can have the hearing in a systematic manner. Otherwise, it is very confusing.
Yes.
You see, at the end of the day, you people will argue and go.
Lordship
Huh?
has to write it.
And the court has to author it. It becomes very complicated, and sometimes these are the reasons why judgments get delayed at our end. you know, because
May I also
there are
say
no
this?
assistants inside.
May I also say this, Millet? Insofar as the matters where I am appearing, the challenge, Millet, essentially is to the one-man committee report.
Very well, Mr. Chaudhary, you give us those list on the next day.
No, Millet, what I am saying is this, Millet. Some directions are required, Millet.
So today, since I am not taking it up, I am not going to apply my mind right now. I am posting on another date. Please come up with a consent date.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship,
Please come up with a date
In
now.
the meanwhile, Millet, the records will confirm.
All right, that I may say.
And secondly, Millet, despite 4 directions of this court, Millet, the report has not been placed on record. That's all.
Lordship, I'm pressing for August.
August?
And I'll give 2 sets of dates, whatever works for
Yes,
them. And of
please,
course,
please,
court,
please give us.
I
I'm
was
not
thinking of first week of September.
No, don't go till September because you see there's a stay vacating
Exactly,
application also pending.
Millet, the stay has been upheld by the division bench.
It's all right,
Yes.
Mr. Councils, come up with a consent date in August.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, Lalit Senior Counsel, assisted by so-and-so Gautam, Mr. Gautam. And Gautam, Mr. A. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. M.S. B. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, and Mr. Datta. You're also there, Mr. Das. You Das, huh? Huh? DK Das, assisted by so-and-so. Please, Mr. Pathak, please ensure that all the names of the writ petitioners are given in an appearance slip. It's your responsibility. So-and-so, huh? Also heard Mr. N. Kohli, Learned Senior Counsel.
We've got the other matter also. I've got how many matters to leave? The Lordship, I'm so sorry. I'm assisted by Mr. A. Roy and Miss N. Mehta.
Learned Additional Advocate General Assam, assisted by
I am no longer additional advocate,
Oh,
I'm
I'm
the
sorry.
senior advocate now.
Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
A. Roy and M. Menon.
A. Roy, Mr. A. Roy, NMS.
And Menon, Nisha Menon.
But in the tradition of this Guwahati High Court Bar, generally assistants we record one name. But for your satisfaction, I'm recording it both names. M.K. Chaudhary also, Senior Counsel, assisted by assisted by M. Sharma. Yes, right, M. Sharma. So and so. On the joint request of the learned counsels appearing for all the parties, relist on such and such date. On the next date of hearing, the respondent shall have the records available for the perusal of the court if necessary.
Grateful.
In the meantime, parties shall also provide a list of the category of the cases. List. I think list category of cases that should be list identifying as whether it falls under the category A, which is concerning with wherein the issue involved is simultaneously proceeding with the disciplinary as well as the criminal proceeding, the inquiry simultaneously proceeding while so and so, and the issue category B, the challenge made to the one-man committee, subject
and all consequential actions.
Subject one-man committee and all
Consequential
actions taken thereof. Stop. So just identify your, you can, all of you can sit together or the juniors and just give that list so that maybe we can
If they can
relist
share
it
with
with-
us.
Yes, of course.
I have a second request, Lordship. As far as the state is concerned, we will be treating Priyanka Deka's writ petition as the lead because our arguments are common to all. Otherwise, for both are considered there. Otherwise, Lordship, I have to keep looking at 44 petitions.
That at the time of, you see, I am not suggesting of having the hearing on different dates.
21st.
But
21st.
you see,
21st.
some clarification because otherwise, I'm finding it very difficult to understand which matter relates to what right
Second
now.
request, Lordship.
So that would only help the.
Just second
Wait.
request, Lordship. If it can be kept for 2 days, because I don't think it will get over in one
We
day.
will see on that day, Mr.
problem.
Counsel. We may finish it on one
very
day also.
I'm so happy, Lordship. And Lordship, a third
We will
request.
see on that day.
A third request.
Yes.
Item 31 is not connected to the list of either of these two issues.
Who is the petitioner in 31?
It can be TTAC, Lordship.
Yeah, different.
Different FIR.
Huh?
issue of
Mr. Counsel, so and further, Mr.
K Mohammed.
Ma'am?
K Mohammed.
K, no? K Mohammed, Learned Counsel, appearing in WPC. Please give the number.
It is
W-
5230 of 2024.
So and so submits that the issue involved therein is not connected with the aforesaid with the series with the above listed series matters, which is also submitted by Mr. N. Kohli, Learned Senior Counsel. Accordingly, let registry detect this matter and list the same on when?
21st.
21st of.
But it,
No, Mr. K. Government.
20,
Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord.
Mr. Kohli, 2 weeks?
it doesn't matter. I'm
After
still
2
not-
weeks, on a date to be fixed by the registry. All right.
Well, in our cases, interim order has to be extended.
Interim order, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, in my case also interim.
And they a lot
Interim.
I'm just saying it only as a measure of abundant caution. They will not press for contempt in the meantime, Lordship. Otherwise, I will have to come.
It is
back to
understood, it is needless to be clarified that
Lordship will not say anything. Please don't say anything.
7-4.
then I will say the prayer, you say adjournment on the base, don't say on the joint prayer, say on the request made by the learned counsels appearing on behalf of the writ petitioners, the matter is adjourned. However, Mr. N. Kohli has not opposed. Say that. All right. Yes.
Basically, the effect of 7-4, Lordship, with respect to the contempt will continue because
I'm not going into all that.
if it
Yes.
comes, we'll be back before Lordship.
Next.
My lord, so far as the extension of interim order is concerned in my item, my lord, item 29, it has been, it is matter until further orders already.
I have said, if it is, if necessary.
Well, your lordship will not say that even I asked for an adjournment.
I have not said
So
anything.
your lordship said that at the request
But the
of
matter on the
Justice will say,
request
well,
of Mr. K. N.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
For his.
All right.
Let that be.
I'll
clarified.
edit that.
I'm grateful, Lordship.
But nobody objected.
People is back, well,
No one objected, Mr. Chaudhary, including Mr. Kohli.
Mr. K. N. Chaudhary's request.
Yes.
It was
21st, huh?
21st, Lordship, we made it. We'll be here before Lordship. Grateful.
In case any adjournment is on, please circulate an advance request earlier because petitioner councils are traveling from outside also.
And it's we'll ask the list from.
It is horrible. Huh? The board is over?
Yes.
Oh.